everyone, welcome to lectures by Aparna. Signal flow graph, as the name says, is a flow graph. It shows the flow of signals in a system. It is a directed graph which is used to represent a system. It is a further simplification of block diagram of a system. Block diagram consists of blocks, summing points, branching points, etc. So these blocks, summing points, branching points, etc. of the block diagram are replaced by nodes and branches in signal flow graph. If you want to know about block diagram representation of a system in detail, you can check out its video link in the description box just below this video. So if you consider a simple block diagram like this, X is the input, Y is the output and K is the gain. Now if you are converting it into a signal flow graph, X will become an input node. So I am drawing an input node X here. Y will become an output node. So Y will be the output node. K will be the transmittance of the branch connecting these two nodes. So that will be like this. So this will be the equivalent signal flow graph of this simple block diagram. So the basic elements of a signal flow graph are nodes and branches. Consider a signal flow graph like this. The nodes here are Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4. The branches here are A, B, C and minus D. Node is a point which represents either a variable or a signal. Branch is a line segment that joins two nodes. It will be having a gain and also a direction. Nodes are of three types: input node, output node and mixed node. Input node is a node which has only outgoing branches. So here Y1 is an input node. It has no branches coming into it. It has only an outgoing branch. So Y1 is an input node. Next type of node is output node. It is a node which is having only incoming branches. So here Y4 is an output node. It has only incoming branches into it. No outgoing branches. Next type of node is mixed node. It is a node which has both incoming and outgoing branches. So here Y2 and Y3 are mixed nodes because they are having branches coming in and going out from them. Consider this block diagram. R of S is the input signal and Y of S is the output signal. So we can represent R of S as an input node and Y of S as an output node. This is the input node and this is the output node. Now I am marking the rest of the nodes in this block diagram. Let this be node Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8 and Y9. There are 4 summing points here. 4 nodes will be formed by 4 summing points. So the 4 nodes formed by the 4 summing points are Y1, Y2, Y5 and Y7. The 4 nodes formed by 4 branching points are Y4, Y6, Y8 and Y9. One node will be made by the variable between the blocks G1 and G2. So that is node Y3. Now we can mark the nodes in the signal flow graph. I have marked nodes Y1 to Y9 in the signal flow graph. Now we have to draw the directions and mark the gains. From R of S to Y1, the gain is 1. From Y1 to Y2, the gain is 1. From Y2 to Y3, the gain is G1. From Y3 to Y4, the gain is G2. Now from Y4 to Y5, the gain is 1. From Y5 to Y6, the gain is 1. Y6 to Y7 the gain is G3. Y7 to Y8 gain is 1. Y8 to Y9 gain is G5. And from Y9 to Y of S gain is 1. Now we have to mark some more feedback paths and forward paths. Between Y4 and Y2 there is a feedback path. So you have to draw feedback path from Y4 to Y2. And its gain should be written as minus H1 because it is a negative feedback here. So this minus sign with gain H1. Now here also there is a feedback path between node Y8 and Y1. So you have to draw a path from Y8 to Y1. Its gain will be plus H2 because it is a positive feedback. So it is plus H2. Now between node Y6 and Y7 there is a forward path. Y6 to Y7 there is a forward path with gain G4. And from node Y9 to Y5. Y9 to Y5 there is a feedback path. It is a negative feedback path. So you have to mark it as minus H3. So this will be the equivalent signal flow graph of this block diagram. Once you get the signal flow graph of a system, you can find the transfer function of the system using Mason's gain formula. I have done a video on it. I will give its link in the description box just below this video. So that's it. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.